Perfect rice every time? The YumAsia Kumo rice cooker makes it possible. It comes with all the essentials, including a measuring cup, rice paddle, and even a steaming tray for added versatility. The Kumo features fuzzy logic technology, adjusting temperature and cooking time for flawless results. Plus, with multiple settings, you can cook white rice, brown rice, porridge, and even steam vegetables. The ceramic-coated inner bowl ensures even cooking and easy cleaning, making every batch of rice delicious and fluffy. If you love perfect rice with minimal effort, the YumAsia Kumo rice cooker is a game changer. Okay, let's cook some rice. So with the provided cup, you can easily measure the rice. We add water and make sure to wash the rice. Then place the bowl in the rice cooker, turn it on and select the type of rice. White rice in our case. And that's it. Now all we have to do is wait for the rice to cook. Super easy.